In this video we are going to solve the Rubik's Cube completely. So stay with me until the end of this video. Before we go to the training, be sure to subscribe the channel. After you complete the yellow color above, we have to go the last layer. Here we have to look for two paired corners, like this. When it was in this state, we have to match the pairs with its own color, which is red here, and match with the red side. After that we put the paired color behind and run this algorithm. R prime F R prime B2 R F prime R prime B2 R2. And as you can see, all the corners are paired. Second state. The second case is that no Rubik's side has a paired corner like this. Here you have to run this algorithm from any side you are interested. R prime F R prime B2 R F prime R prime B2 R2. And after running the algorithm, a paired color is formed. And again we put the pair on the back and run the algorithm. R prime F R prime B2 R F prime R prime B2 R2, and all colors are paired. There is another mode where one side of the Rubik's is solved, like this. Here we act as before and put the paired color on the back and run the algorithm. R prime F R prime B2 R F prime R prime B2 R2. Let's go to the next section. First mode. This is how the edges displaced and one side Rubik's is solved. And we put the side where Rubik's is solved on the back and run the algorithm. F2 U L R prime F2 L prime R U F2, and the Rubik's is solved. The second mode. It is exactly the same as before, but you have to run the algorithm twice. F2 U L prime R prime F2 L prime R U F2. F2 U L R prime, F2 L prime, R U F2. The third mode. This is how each side of the Rubik's has a paired color and the edges should be replaced like this. And run the algorithm from any side you want. F2 U L R prime F2 L prime R U F2. Last state. Hold the Rubik's Cube so that the edge is going to the right. For example, here the green color is supposed to go to the right. Or here, where the blue color is supposed to go to the right. And run the algorithm. It turns back to the previous states. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and comment your opinions. Until the next video, peace out.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I